Here I have KARBONN Aura, and let me show you how to enable here developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon, then you need to scroll down, choose settings, scroll down again and select about phone. From the following list, let's scroll down and tap a couple of times on build number. As you can see, you are now a developer, so you can go back to previous page right here, and under printing you've got developer options. Let's tap it. And here you can use the following developer features. For example, you can enable OEM unlocking. Let's read the warning and tap enable, and you just allow the bootloader to be unlocked. You can use the USB debugging, tap OK to allow USB debugging. You can enable bug report shortcut, select debug app, enable view attribute inspection, and use other stuff. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.